Hell yeah, what's up, guys? This is Curtis Pike. My friends call me Big C. Back in action today. Got something awesome for you. Guys, I'm going to show you how to use the new Llama 3 large language model, similar to ChatGPT 4, for example, but I'm going to show you how to use it for free. And not only that, in a lot of ways, Llama 3 is actually outpacing ChatGPT 4 because it's newer. It has 70 billion parameters, and it looks like they're going to expand it to 400 billion parameters in the very near future. So let me show you how to use it for free, and then I'm going to show you some examples as to why you might want to use it. Let's go. All right, so you'll see here that I am logged in, and I just did 4 examples of how I would use a program like Llama 3, and in one came up with some ideas for a recent video game. I said, hey, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for Harold Halibut. It just came out. Apparently, it's pretty good. Another idea I came up with is, hey, I'm going to be sick for work tomorrow. Can you write me an email to say, hey, boss, I'm sick. Not me, George. I'm feeling just fine, by the way. And it came and it wrote me an exact email for what I should send. And then I said, hey, write me, and this is no joke, a 3,000-word essay on the witches in Macbeth. So if you're a student and you're looking for ideas, I do not recommend pasting this in. But it literally wrote me the essay. It is nuts. And I have search the web turned on, so it even gave me the sources, bartleby.com, gradefixer.com, etc. And then finally, I got an example here of it creating a video game for me, a basic snake game in Python, giving explanations for each step. Now, I know this is all really, really cool, but here's the thing. It did it for free. Let's go. I'm going to show you how to log in and rock and roll. All right, guys, so the first step, and the most important by quite a margin, is to go to huggingface.co. So watch this, I'll just type it in, huggingface.co/chat. When you do that, it's going to ask you if you want to try it as a guest. If you try it as a guest, you get like 3 or 4 cracks at it, and then it asks you to sign in. Alternatively, you could sign in with Hugging Face, and I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. I want you to keep in mind that, again, this is totally free to use. You can sign up with your email or your GitHub or your Discord, I believe. There's a whole bunch of ways to sign in. Easy to do. Now that I'm in it, though, this is very interesting because when you sign in, there's a very good chance that you are not in Llama 3. You've actually got to select it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this little settings button here, or this little icon. I click on that, and you're going to see here that it says Active Cohere for AI. Now, I'm not familiar with Cohere. I'm sure it's fine, but that's not the one I want. What I want is Meta LLaMA 3 70 billion instruct. This is the one that launched today, April 18th. It's the best free one out there, apparently. Again, I haven't tested them all, but apparently it's really, really good. And so far that I've used it, it's good. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And now I'm going to go ahead and activate it. So I'm just going to click on it, activate it. Now, when I go back and I click the X here, you're going to see here it says Meta LLaMA 3 70 billion instruct. Perfect. Now I'm also going to go ahead and click on search the web. And why I do that is because this way it allows, obviously, to search the web. But if you were doing something like an essay and you needed to cite some references, this way it can pull in information from the web and use those references. Now, I'm just going to ask it anything. So, write me a review of Baldur's Gate 3. Make it long and detailed. Make it friendly. Make it for a YouTube video. And again, I'm just winging this, guys. This is just me monkeying around. Watch this. So here it is, going to give me what they think could be good for a Baldur's Gate 3 review. Now, here it goes. What's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the most highly anticipated RPGs of the year. Okay, I like it so far. Cut to gameplay footage. It's even giving you instructions. First off, let's talk about the story. Baldur's Gate takes place about 100 years after the events of Baldur's Gate 2. Okay, developer Larian Studios. Cut back to the host. Okay, so it's giving you more instructions on how to on camera. Full of twists and turns, memorable characters. I won't spoil too much. Identity, morality. Okay, I mean, this is good stuff, guys, but here it is. This was just one-shot prompt. Like, I just typed it in and said, hey, here's what I want, and it gave me back a really good idea. Now, it doesn't give you exactly what you should do. Of course not. You want to put your own flavor in, do your own thing, but there you go. There's just a quick idea as to what to do. Let's try a new one. Let's click on new chat here. Let's create a new chat. I'm going to show you another example. Write me a 2,000 word academic essay on, and then what are we doing? Hamlet's revenge. I don't know. Something like that. I'm just going to have some fun, right? Just click anything here. We're having a good time. All right. The theme of revenge is a pervasive and complex element in William Shakespeare's tragic play Hamlet. It's written in perfect English. This is crazy, guys. This is what the new model can do right out of the box. You saw me sign up. You'll know that I've got a free account here. It's cooking. I ain't doing nothing, guys. This is amazing. You got, oh, geez, there comes the references. How good is that? It gave us not one, not two, 8 primary references. Kierkegaard, Nietzsche, Hegel, Greenblatt, the books when they came out. Guys, you got to try this. It's free. Links in the description below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.